a den where the moonlight painted silver on the ground, a bunny carried Tupperware, her heart a fluttering sound. Inside were crunchy carrots, cabbage, ribbons, light and sweet, and she hoped the mighty wolves would let her join them all to eat. She hid behind her basket as she stepped inside the door, wondering if they'd scoff at her the way other animals did before. But the eldest wolf looked over with a gentle toothy grin. Little bunny, come and sit, you're welcome here with us. Come in. You're our soft and shining star. The bunny's ears were trembling as she opened up her dish, expecting teasing laughter or a rude and tangled wish. But instead the pups leaned closer, eyes as wide as winter skies. Ooh, look at all the colors, bunny food is such a prize. Warm and deep. We're strong because we're different, that's the magic that we keep. She nudged a space beside her with her tail so soft and wide. Little bunny, take your plate and sit here right by my side. And the wolf said, eat what feeds you, little one, it's perfectly okay. Your carrots glow like sunrise, you can nibble your own way. We feast on elk and moose, but your greens are who you are. And in this pack you're treasured, you're our gentle morning star. No more shrinking in the corners, no more fearing you're too strange, no more feeling like your needs are some burden you must change. For the strongest packs in forests are the ones who know this truth, that every creature shines the brightest when they're free to be their youth. The bunny's heart grew warmer than her cozy cabbage stew. For the first time she felt wanted, seen and honored, simply true. She munched her leafy supper as the wolves enjoyed their own. And somehow in that moment she felt deeply, softly home. For